Hello guys and welcome to the Stock Market Rewind for 8th April 2024. We will cover how the indexes performed today, what were the top performing stocks in each of the indexes. Other than that, we'll also look at the major market news today. So let's begin. Overall, it was a good day at the market. The NSE Nifty 50 inched higher 153 points to settle at 22,666, while the BSE Sensex advanced over 495 points in the trading today, or 0.67% to finish at 74,743. The major gainers on the NSE were Eicher Motors at 4.39%, Maruti 3.49%, Mahindra & Mahindra, JSW Steel and SBI Life. The major losers for the day were Adani Ports, Nestle India, Apollo Hospitals, Wipro and LTI Mindtree. Top stocks on the basis of their volume and price actions were as follows. In terms of exceptionally high volumes when compared to their previous trading sessions, Exide Industries traded at 31 times their average volumes, Amara Raja Batteries traded at 15 times than their higher volumes. Other volume shockers include Godrej Industries Limited, Info Edge Limited, Gland Pharma, PNC Infratech and FSN E-Commerce, that is Nykaa. In terms of price movement today, Exide Industries Limited grew by 17.2% in this today's trading session. Info Edge moved up by 9.7%, followed by PNC Infratech, Amara Raja Energy and Mobility Limited, Sundaram Finance, FSN E-Commerce Ventures Limited and Aster DM Healthcare were some of the other names which had significant price movements throughout the day. Now coming to the section, we'll discuss about some of the most important stock related news of the day. So let's begin. APL Apollo Tubes announced that it ranked 86th percentile in the steel industry on ESG rankings in S&P Global's Corporate Sustainability Assessment, up from 80th percentile in 2022 and 56th percentile in 2021. Next news comes from Grasim Industries. So Grasim Industries Limited's Birla Pivot, the B2B e-commerce unit under the Aditya Birla Group, surpassed 1,000 crore in revenue during its inaugural year of operations in FY24. The company said the platform emerged as one of the fastest growing entities in the B2B e-commerce sector. Next piece of information coming from Exide Industries. Exide Industries stock rallied 15.57% on the BSE after its subsidiary linked an MOU with Hyundai Motor Company and Kia Corporation for EV battery localization plants in India, specifically focusing on lithium iron phosphate or LFP cells in line with the expansion of their EV plants for the Indian market. Tata Asset Management announced the launch of 6 new index funds, namely the Tata Nifty 500 Multi-Cap Infrastructure Index Fund, the Tata Nifty Mid-Small Healthcare Index Fund, the Tata Nifty Realty Index Fund, the Tata Nifty Financial Services Index Fund, the Tata Nifty Auto Index Fund and the Tata Nifty 500 Multi-Cap India Manufacturing Index Fund. The next piece of information comes from Adani Total Energies Mobility Limited ATL, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of Adani Total Gas Limited. So it has signed a MOU with MG Motor India to strengthen the EV charging infrastructure in the country. Some good news also came in from the real estate sector. Godrej Properties Limited shares were up 5.41% after the company said it sold over 1,050 homes, totaling in value of over 3,000 crores within 3 days of its launch of its latest project, Godrej Zenith, located in Sector 89 Gurugram. Prestige Group has recorded a sale of Rs 21,440 crores for FY24, marking a growth of 63% on its year-on-year earnings. So these were some of the top news for the day. I hope you like the content that I shared with you. If you like the content, please do give me a like and subscribe to my channel and follow me for such daily market news and updates. Thank you and bye.